What's happening, my YouTube people? I didn't get off my nose. Um, I got this engine from my uncle the other day, and it was a generator. So I told my uncle to get the engine for a go-kart build. I got some bad news about the engine. After I did a couple modifications yesterday, I got it ready for the kart, and valve stuck. Let me show you. There's that clutch on there. You can see the grind down I did on there. I also had to cut a groove out of there because of the shaft is not made for a clutch. Is made for this crap here. Anywho, see, this valve is stuck open. As you see, I can push this one, and it moves. This one, nothing. So it's stuck. Now, I gotta figure out a way to get it unstuck. Something I don't want her to do is take the head off. Crap. Well, it looks like that's what I'm gonna have to do. Take the head off and get the valve unstuck. I thought I had something going here. Kept turning over, you know. It poop, poop, poop every now and then, but now I know why it won't crank. Stuck open. I'm not gonna do this right now. I'm gonna put this valve cover back on here, and it's gonna sit because I don't feel like doing it right now. I don't have a shop to do this in to get out the moisture, so I'm just gonna leave it alone for now. Like I said, put the valve cover back on, and focus on the red cart because the only thing it needs is a spring and a little black piece that go on the pulley. Let me show y'all that. See, the spring's all out of whack. It's supposed to be straight. And you see I got some of these things see that broke off. It's supposed to be just like this. So it just pops and don't want to pull. I don't know, should I buy a whole nother thing like this or just change those out because they're kind of stuck in there. I know that they just don't pop out, so I know they're gonna be easy to take out. Might have to drill them out. That's the only thing that's wrong with little red here. Well, big red, little red, what you wanna call it. Besides that, and some tires, cause that thing's slick and stay flat. This one, steering is still trash, but it runs good. That's all I have for you guys. I'm sorry, I don't have much. But no, it's been a while since I posted too. Alright. See y'all next time. I'm doing the rest of it. Peace out. Okay, change of plans. I'll finish how to work on this valve. I just went in the house and watched the YouTube video. It's a pretty simple fix. All I need is a hammer and something to pry it back up. So what he did was, oh shoot, sorry, I'm putting the camera. Shoot, all he did was hit it down, because it's stuck, right? He hit it down, pull it back up. Hit it down, pull it back up, until it was free moving. I'm about to go do this, and hopefully it works. Alright, I'll let y'all know. Did it. After heating and pulling on this valve, I finally got it open. And I just crank it up. I'll show y'all. It cranks up like with one pull. Don't worry about the gas tank, it's just sitting on there. But it's awesome. Y'all heard that, and I'm happy now because at first I thought it was gonna be hectic. Thought I wanted to take the whole valve. I mean, what you call his name? The head off, but I don't. That's good. So now all I gotta do is finish getting the other parts for the engine and stuff, and we'll be, you know, rolling with this project cart. Gotta get brake stuff. I gotta get the auto cable. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna mount this gas tank because it's too big for the daggone thing right now. But I did say I was gonna put it on the red one and then put the red engine on here. I'll figure it out. Cause the red one, like it's gonna have way, it's got space for that big gas tank. So it might be okay. And also, what was I gonna say? Well, the engine sizes are about the same. This is a 196 and that's a 195. So it's not really bad. So I might just put that one on here. It's an easy swap. Just, you know, I bought it from this piece here. Take this off. And that's really all I gotta do. And now I'll swap them over. I'll maybe do it tomorrow or something when I get off work. But anywho, there you have it. Alright, this time I'm really done. Like and subscribe if you like the content I made today. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace out.